Have you ever noticed that sometimes when you were to upload a TikTok, suddenly you will see a copy of the same video in your video folder in your phone? So what TikTok does is most of the time when you post, they'll save another copy inside your phone. There's good and bad on this, but for me, I don't need it because it takes up my space. So today I'm going to show you how you can stop TikTok from saving a video copy to your phone. Now before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so you can get more tips like this. Now without further ado, let's jump into my phone and let me show you how you can stop TikTok from saving a video copy into your phone. Let's go. Alright, first of all, open up your TikTok account. Click on the plus icon at the bottom. And then you click on the video that you want to upload. For example, I want to upload this video. Click next. Alright, so before you post, right, all you need to do is just go to more options, and then you can see here, scroll all the way down, you can see here save to device. So you can turn on, turn off. So there's no general settings where you can turn this off. I cannot find it anyway. But if you turn this off many times, you will automatically set as turned off. So for my case right now, my TikTok is every time I do a new TikTok, it will not save to my device. But at the start, you will notice they will always have a copy. So it will take up space. Alright, so this is one way for you to stop TikTok from saving another copy into your folder. Okay, so hope this is helpful for you. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.